Hey guys, welcome to my very first YouTube video. I'm just gonna start out with the outfit that I'm currently wearing, which I love. I got a size 8 in both of them. The skirt is super flowy and just airy. It feels really nice. The top is like a button down shirt that has like these bell sleeves that are super cute. I love it. It is see-through, so I had to pair it with the bralette, but it actually gives it like really cute look. So this is one of my next favorite dresses that I got from there. It's pretty short, which I love. It ties, it has the same exact sleeves as the other one. Super pretty. I'm wearing a bralette with it as well, just for extra details. But yeah, I just try to like pick this up a little bit more so it gives the front a little bit of a better look. And then the back, it's pretty. I do wish that I sized up to a size 8 instead of the 6 because I like the more like slouchier look. And for size reference, I am 130 pounds and I'm 5'4". And then also for like my measurements at the bust, I am 38. And then for the hip area, I'm 39.5. And for the waist, I am 26 inches. So this is the next piece. I literally am in love with this dress. It does run a little bit short, so I sized up to size 6 in this one. I will be wearing it to dinner next time. It's just so freaking elegant. I love it. So the detail in the back is what sold me. I did not like the whole cowl neck, but I love it now. So pretty. So the last thing I got is this pullover. I love it. It's so beautiful. Love the color of it. I did get a size 6 in it. It's like the perfect material, warm, cozy for fall and winter. So I just changed. Oh my goodness, it smells so good in here. I'm gonna share this candle that I have lit. I get it from Target all the time. Like these are on repeat in my house, but it's like the Hearth and Hand brand, and I got the Cedar Magnolia this time. They smell so good. But yeah, so anyways, what I was saying is I'm gonna be making a clam linguini for dinner today, and I'm also gonna make like these lavender cocktails, but I wanted to share these seeds that I buy. These are lavender dried flowers, whatever they're called. They look like that, but I get them and I put like a little bit into a pot with like the same ratio of water and sugar, and that's how I make my syrups. But yeah, super good. Hey guys, so for the cocktails, we ended up putting in a shot of vodka and lavender syrup and 1 squeezed small lemon for each one. So I use my salad spinner for this. I just go ahead and like take out the clams. So they do put them in a bag in the grocery store for some reason. But you also want to make sure that your water is like sea salted, so super salty and cold. But yeah, so I just go ahead and transfer all of these over. So this is how much parsley I'm going to be using and how much garlic I'm going to be using. So I'm using a little bit more because I do love garlic in my food. I feel like it flavors the dish so much better. And with parsley, parsley is like an everyday kind of herb for me. I love using both of these. So the water came to a boil, I salted it, and I'm gonna go ahead and cook the pasta for about 7 minutes until it's almost done. Pour in about like 2 tablespoons, probably 4, somewhere around there. I usually do like, I guess like half a teaspoon. Just give it a quick mix. So you don't want your garlic to brown. And grab my wine. I just buy the cheapest one at Trader Joe's because it does not matter what kind you use. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and add in the linguini. This looks so good, so it's finally ready. So it's all done. Looks delicious. Tastes delicious. I already had some.